Ever had one of those days when the power goes out and suddenly your house feels like a cave? No lights, no gadgets, not even a warm cup of coffee unless you're brave enough to light up that old camping stove. Now, imagine living that way every day, not because you have to, but because you choose to. That's life for the Amish. While the rest of us scramble in the dark, they go about their day, unaffected by blackouts or low battery warnings. It's like they cracked a code the rest of us missed and they make it look easy. The Amish aren't just surviving without electricity, they're thriving. And it's not some mystical force making this possible, it's the smart, deliberate practices they've honed over generations. While we rely on smart thermostats or electric ovens, the Amish use a toolkit of simple, effective solutions. Ever tried flipping on a light switch, only to remember the power's out? Meanwhile, the Amish are calmly having a candlelit dinner, as they've done for centuries. Their choices might seem outdated, but there's wisdom in their simplicity. They aren't avoiding technology just to be different, they're selectively using what's essential. You won't find them endlessly scrolling or battling Wi-Fi dead zones. Instead, they live in ways most of us have forgotten. Though the Amish lifestyle doesn't exactly bring solar panels to mind, many communities have embraced solar energy, but only in a way that fits their values, simple and practical, without excess. These panels power essentials like lights or fans, striking a balance that's surprisingly modern. Solar energy has grown over 40% in the last decade, and the Amish are riding that wave. They set up panels to catch sunlight, using only what's needed and sharing extra power within their community. I once learned the hard way about the importance of solar on a camping trip, stumbling in the dark because I forgot to charge the lanterns. The Amish don't make that mistake. They've mastered balance, relying on simple sunlight to keep things running smoothly. When the wind picks up, they have another trick: small wind turbines. Not the towering giants you see in wind farms, but modest, efficient versions. These turbines power water pumps, charge batteries, or even light up a barn dance, all without plugging into the grid. While wind energy now makes up 8% of US electricity, the Amish treat it as a dependable friend, blending it with other methods for reliable power. Driving past a quiet, unassuming turbine in Amish country, it's clear that their simpler solutions can outshine our complex ones. And when the wind dies down, streams take over. For the Amish, a flowing stream isn't just a pretty sight, it's a power source. Their small hydro setups generate energy with minimal disruption to nature. It's almost like borrowing power from the river, a sustainable and efficient way to keep homes warm and tools running. Unlike solar panels under clouds or wind turbines on calm days, streams flow consistently, providing energy year-round. Speaking of fuel, the Amish don't rely on gas stations. They've embraced biogas, transforming waste into energy. Food scraps, manure, and old hay become fuel, powering lights and stoves. I remember trying to compost once and nearly giving up fruit flies and all. But the Amish have perfected this, managing waste so it powers their homes sustainably. Biogas is simple, efficient, and just another way the Amish keep their footprint light. In the colder months, they use thermal mass, like stone or brick, to store heat from the sun, keeping homes warm without relying on traditional heating. It's similar to modern energy-efficient homes, showing that age-old methods often work as well, if not better, than new tech. Some Amish even connect greenhouses to their homes, allowing captured warmth to keep indoor spaces cozy. It's ingenious, a natural heater and a way to grow fresh food year-round. The Amish also use straw bales as insulation, trapping air to keep homes warm in winter and cool in summer. It's a sustainable, energy-efficient technique, providing comfort without the hum of a heater or air conditioner. Their homes may lack high-tech gadgets, but they run on clever solutions, offering a kind of freedom that's hard to find in today's wired world. So, while we stress over rising bills and grid failures, the Amish live with peace of mind, powered by sun, wind, water, and even a bit of manure. Maybe there's a lesson in that. We don't need to switch completely, but small changes like solar panels or rainwater collection can lighten our load on the planet. And who knows? The next blackout might find us enjoying the quiet, just like the Amish have been doing all along.